Hi guys, in this tutorial I'll show you how to easily add glow to highlights in a video using After Effects. Let's get started. This effect works best with footage shot in dark environments, like this parking lot, where there are lights in the background and the car reflects those lights. Duplicate the video, and on the duplicated layer apply the Luma key effect. Toggle off the bottom clip for now. In the Luma key settings, set key type to key out darker, then increase the threshold to isolate the highlights. Make sure the main light sources are still visible. Increase the edge feather to soften the lights. To make these highlights glow, I'll apply the Deep Glow plugin. This effect adds a soft, realistic glow to the isolated highlights, making the lights look brighter and more cinematic. If you don't have this plugin, you can use the built-in glow effect instead. Lower the glow threshold and adjust the glow radius and intensity until the highlights start to glow. Once you're happy with the result, toggle the bottom clip back on. Then click toggle switches/modes and set the top layer's blend mode to screen. Let's compare the before and after, and we're done. Hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed it, please give it a like.